Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video tutorial from ATWP WordPress hosting. In this video, we're going to see how can we install WordPress automatically with only one click in Plesk control panel. The control panel which we use in ATWP WordPress hosting to power our servers and give you the best powerful WordPress hosting ever. So let's start. When you log into your ATWP panel, which you can see the video tutorial of that in another post, you will see WordPress option, which is the WordPress toolkit link of our panel in your sidebar. Click on it and you will be redirected to a page like this. Then you have to click on Install WordPress. It will show up your domains that you have set up. I only have set up one domain, so drop-down menu is not available for this domain. In the next field, you will specify the directory that you want to install WordPress on it. If you want to install it on the root of your domain name, then leave this place empty. But right now, I'm going to install it in another directory named WordPress. You can name it anything you want, or even you can leave it empty to install WordPress exactly on the root of your domain. Now you can name your website title, and you can choose the language and also the version of WordPress that you're going to install, which here I'm going to install the latest version, which is 5.6. Click on install, and it would take about 1 to 2 minutes to install WordPress completely. I'm going to pause this video, so in the next few minutes I will be back to you. But to make sure that there is nothing you need to do and you just need to wait. Alright, I'm going to pause this video for now. Alright everyone, after 1 or 2 minutes you will see this dialog comes up with installation completed. Now I have to close this pop-up and you can see my WordPress website is now up and running. The only thing you need to do is click on open to see your website here. As you can see, it's installed exactly on the directory that I have specified in the installation step, and here is it. My WordPress is completely working. So I'm going to close this tab and do the next step, which is the last step required in our panel. In order to be able to log into your WordPress without needing to put your username or password, which is one of the great features of our WordPress toolkit, you have to click on Set Up. Here, you will generate a new password, which must be a very strong password that you don't need to memorize it. Just click on Change, and that's it. The only thing you need to do from now, every time you need to log into your WordPress dashboard, click on Login from your panel. And as you can see, without any other necessary step, I'm inside my WordPress dashboard. And you can see my WordPress dashboard is working completely without any problem. So that's it. And I hope to see you in other videos of ATWP WordPress hosting. Please subscribe and follow our channel to get more tutorials. Goodbye for now.